Hey guys, today I will show you how you can create a XpzserVerlOggers Discord bot without any coding knowledge. So before starting the tutorial, make sure to subscribe and join our Discord server. First of all, join my Discord server and click on source code channel, then you will find the source code for this code. If you still don't found the source code, then I will give a tutorial code on the description box. Copy the code and search this code on my server. After you found the source code post, click on jump. Now open replit fork URL. After you click on that link, you will see a web page like that. So if you don't have any account, then sign up on replit, or if you have, then login. After login, click on fork replace. After forking the replit, then you need to create an Discord application for your bot, so go the Discord developer. I will give that link on the description box. Now click on new application. Now give a name to your application /bot. I am just creating this bot for testing, so I'm taking the name test, but you can give any name on it, but try to keep your bot name and application name same. Now click on bot and the add bot, so after adding the bot you can change the bot name and profile picture. Now after adding the profile picture, go down and turn on those three options. Now click on OAuth 2, then URL generator, then give the following permission you will see on the video. Now copy the generated URL and invite this bot to your server by using this URL. After inviting done, create a new private channel to save your server log. Note, don't forget to give viewing access for this channel to the bot. Now open replit, then click on secrets. Now write token with capital letter and on, go to the Discord developer for and copy the bot token. Now paste the token on replit value section, then click on add new secret. Now go to files and open the config.json file. Now we need the ID of the channel we previously created for store all the server logs. If you want to get the ID, you have to enable developer option on your Discord app. For that, click on user settings, then advanced. Now enable the developer mode. After enabling the developer mode, right click on the channel, then copy ID. Now paste the ID on replit config file. Now click on run. And let's see our bot is working or not. It's working properly. So now I will show you how you can make the bot 24/7 active. For doing that, open the index.js file, then open codes channel on my server. After that, copy the replit uptime express codes and paste it above all codes on index.js. Now open packages on replit and search for express. After finding the express package, click on the plus button and it will start installing. After installing done, restart the replit project. Now copy the URL you will see on your right hand side. After copy the URL, open uptime channel of my server, then write $uptime and paste the URL you copy. Now send it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.